Hey, it's Mitch. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate using moles, and we'll start easy and they will get harder as we go. Okay. How many atoms of copper are in 1 mole of copper? One mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms copper. You could write that out, 6.02, and then we start off by taking 1 mole going into atoms. The way we do this is take number of moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. 1 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd equals atoms per mole color. That's number 1. This problem, we'll be asking how many grams of oxygen are in 2 moles of oxygen. Oxygen has a molar mass of 16.00. But for molar mass, you can leave it at 16.0. So, the way we're going from moles to grams would be take the number of moles, 2.0, make sure you add the decimal point, 2.0 times the molar mass times 16.0 equals 32. You know there's 2 sig figs, so you can leave your answer at 32 grams oxygen. Very simple. That's number 2. Problem number 3. This is asking how many atoms are in 4 grams of oxygen. So write 4.0 grams O equals how many atoms? First, you work with what you have. 4.0 gram. Now I have to divide it by the molar mass of oxygen, which is 4.0 divided by 16.0 equals 1/4, or 25%, 0.25. That gives you moles. In order to get over here, you have to keep following the steps. 0.25 moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, which equals 1.204 times 10 to the 24. Now let's take a look at sig figs. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd has 3 sig figs. 0.25 only has 2. So in this case, our answer would be 1.2 times 10 to the 24 atoms oxygen. That is how you convert atoms or grams to atoms. My apologies, I miscalculated. 0.25 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 1.505 times 10 to the 23rd, not 1.204. My punishment will be eat this prune now. Problem number 4. We'll be calculating from atoms to grams. question is, how many grams are in 100 atoms of oxygen? Okay, start at 100 atoms of oxygen. Atoms, 100 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Let me grab my calculator. 100 divided by 6.02 exponent 23rd. This gives me 1.6611 times 10 to the negative 22nd. Now we will have to times this by the molar mass equals grams. So 1.6611 times 10 to the negative 22nd times 16.0 equals grams. Let me do that. Okay, that equals 2.65780 times 10 to the negative 21st. But 3 sig figs here. That would actually mean that would be 2.66 times 10 to the negative 21st. We use this exponential because if not, it would be 266, and you have to move this over 21 spaces, so this just keeps it minimized. And that is how you calculate from atoms to grams. In summary, the way you calculate moles is by using this chart. Grams to moles, you stay with molar mass. Moles to atoms, you use mole, 1 mole, which equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Just like Lawrence said. Go Biden!